Hello guys, welcome to a world of legal brilliance at Maneuver Education where intellect meets justice and passion meets a purpose. So today we dive into the heart of the legal education in India, which is nothing but National Law School of India University, Bangalore, often known as NLSIU Bangalore. In this video, we'll talk about their programs, about the seat intake, eligibility, fee structure, rank, campus, hostel facilities, recruiters, and the packages as well. So stay connected with me till the end in this video क्योंकि हम इस वीडियो में बहुत information discuss करने वाले हैं. Obviously guys, NLSIU was one of the first institution in the country to introduce the 5-year integrated law degree at the undergraduate level with the commencement of its first batch in 1988. बहुत ही ज़्यादा पुरानी इंस्टीट्यूट है guys. NLSIU was the first national law university established in India to pioneer legal education. The university has remained a leader in the field of legal education in India for over 30 years. NLSIU has been ranked number 1 in the National Institutional Ranking Framework in 2018, 19, 20 and 21. The University Chancellor is the Chief Justice of India and the Chairman of the Bar Council of India and is the Chairman of the General Council as well. So yes guys, इस पर्टिकुलर लॉ इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में और भी इंफॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के लिए और भी इंसाइट्स के लिए वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखना क्योंकि हम और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. So yes, before we begin, we have an important announcement to put forward that all the law entrance related videos, be it latest exam updates, notifications, preparation strategies, paper analysis, everything will be available only on Maneuver Law Entrance channel. So hit the subscribe button right away to get notified about all the latest videos on our channel. And if you are watching this video on Maneuver Education, make sure to subscribe Maneuver Law Entrance, link for which is given in the description, and you all can see a glimpse of all these updates. All you have to do is follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you all can also join our Telegram channel as well. We have also launched the batches for the law entrance examinations of our live class. You all can call on 8828581455, and for classroom coaching you all can visit our centers at Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, Thane, Andheri, and our Pune center is also coming soon. You also get access to video lectures, mock test, books, mentorship strategy, and a lot more to ace your entrance exam in the first attempt. Now let's start with the points right in front of your screen. So we'll start with the establishment. So NLSIU Bangalore was established in 1987 by Karnataka Legislative Assembly. It was the first institution in India to offer an integrated 5-year undergraduate law program, that is BA LLB honors, setting a precedent for legal education in the country. Next is location. So NLSIU Bangalore is located in the heart of the cosmopolitan city of Bangalore, Karnataka. The city's vibrant legal and tech environment provides students with exposure to various legal institutions, law firms and corporations. Next is academic excellence. NLSIU is renowned for its academic excellence. It consistently ranks among the top law schools in India and has earned recognition on the global stage. Next, about the faculty and research. So the university boasts a distinguished faculty of legal scholars, practitioners and researchers who contribute significantly to legal scholarship and jurisprudence. Next is nothing but about the academic programs. So NLSIU Bangalore offers a range of academic programs, that is BLLB honors, LLM, PhD, postgraduate diploma programs and a lot more. NLSIU houses several research centers that focuses on diverse legal areas such as environmental law, human rights and technology law. Next is nothing but the moot court excellence. So NLSIU is renowned for its moot court achievements. Its students participate and excel in national and international moot court competitions, enhancing their advocacy skills. Next is nothing but about the legal aid and clinics. So the university is committed to social justice and runs legal aid clinics to provide legal assistance to marginalized communities. NLSIU graduates are highly sought after by top law firms, corporations, and organizations. The university maintained an excellent track record in the placement. Next is nothing but the alumni network. So LNSIU alumni occupy a prominent position in the legal fraternity, government, academia, and international organizations. The alumni network is a valuable resource for students and graduates. Next is nothing but about the extracurricular activities. So beyond academics, the university promotes extracurricular activities as well, including the cultural events. Then there is sports and debates to foster their holistic development. Next is nothing but the international collaborations. So NLSIU collaborates with universities and institutions worldwide, facilitating students, research programs, and a lot more. So guys, NLSIU Bangalore is more than an institution. It is a hub of legal scholarship, advocacy, and leadership. Here students achieve the academic excellence and the holistic development as well. Now let's understand about the programs. So here they offer the 5-year integrated undergraduate BBLLB honors degree program. This is their flagship degree at the NLSIU that offers students training in the range of legal and non-legal subjects. Admissions to the BLLB honors program is purely based on your CLAT score. So CLAT में आप जितना अच्छा स्कोर करोगे, कट ऑफ अगर आप हिट करते हो, रैंक उतना अच्छा आपका आता है, सो डेफिनेटली आप क्लैट के स्कोर के थ्रू NLSIU बैंगलोर में एडमिशन ले सकते हो. स्पेसिफिक सिलेबस को लेके गाइस अगर आपको वीडियोस चाहिए तो अबाउट द BLLB, BBLLB, BLSLLB, सो उस पर भी हमने ऑलरेडी वीडियोस बनाई हैं. सो सिलेबस इन डिटेल देखने के लिए आप वो वीडियोस हमारे ज़रूर चेकआउट कर सकते हो. Next is their LLM regular program. So yes, they do offer 1-year LLM degree program. Their core courses are Foundation of Private Law and a course on the interface that is between law and the society. Next, they do have a UGC mandate courses as well, which is Research Methodology, Law and Justice in Globalizing World and the Comparative Public Law. So yes, you all can pursue any of these programs. All those students जिनका भी 12th कंप्लीट हुआ है, जो 12th अपियरिंग में है, डेफिनेटली ऑल कैन गो फॉर द BLLB प्रोग्राम एंड ऑल द ग्रेजुएट्स कैन गो फॉर द LLM प्रोग्राम. नाउ let's check out about the eligibility for the BLLB program. So you must have passed your 10+2 with 45% marks or equivalent in case of the candidates belonging to the general, OBC, PWD categories, and 40% of marks or equivalent in case of the SC/ST categories. The candidates will have to appear for the common law admission test, that is nothing but CLAT, to secure admission in the program. CLAT आपको अटेम्प्ट करना मैंडेटरी है. CLAT के थ्रू ही आप NLUs में एडमिशन ले सकते हो. तो येस, एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लिखना मैंडेटरी है, दैट इज CLAT. Candidates those who are appearing for the qualifying examination in the year of the admission, they can also take the test, they can also write the CLAT entrance exam. Also, there is no upper age limit for this particular undergraduate program. Next, the eligibility for the LLM program. So yes, candidate must have a LLB bachelor's degree or an equivalent examination with a minimum of 50% of marks or its equivalent in case of the candidates belonging to general, OBC, PWD categories, and 45% of marks in case of the SC/ST categories. All the candidates will have to appear for the CLAT entrance exam, which is nothing but the common law admission test. Also, candidates those who are appearing for the qualifying examination in the year of the admission, they can also take this test, they can also attempt this test. There is no upper age limit for the PG program. Next, let's check out about the seat intake for both of these programs. So for BLLB honors program, total 240 seats are there, and for LLM total 100 seats are there. This is the segregation category wise of these particular seats. So for scheduled caste, 15% seats are reserved. For scheduled tribes, 7.5% seats are reserved. For EWS, 8% seats are reserved. For women horizontal reservation, 24% seats are reserved. For Karnataka students, 25% seats are reserved, and so on. All these details are right in front of your screen. You can definitely check this out so that आप जो है seat intake के segregation को लेके clear रहो. Next, about the fee structure. So fee structure for the BLLB honors program is 3,57,500 rupees, and this is the segregation of your fees. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे आपकी ट्यूशन फीस लग रही है. सो यस, ट्यूशन फीस एंड फैसिलिटीज़ की जो फीस है वो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है. सो वो हिसाब से जो आपकी ओवरऑल फीस है पर एनम दैट इज़ 3,57,500 रुपीज़। एंड फॉर द LLM प्रोग्राम टोटल फीस इज़ 2,55,000 रुपीज़। अगेन यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो आपकी ट्यूशन एंड फैसिलिटीज़ फीस यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लग रही है। सो ये फीस ज़्यादा है, तो कॉलेज इंस्टीट्यूट एक्सपेंसिव है, बट ROI जो है आपको उतना ही अमेजिंग देखने को मिलने वाला है। सो इस प्लेसमेंट एंड पैकेज को लेकर भी हम आगे इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। नेक्स्ट, रैंक। सो हियर विल चेक आउट द क्लोजिंग रैंक। सो फॉर जनरल क्लोजिंग रैंक 1 is 54 एंड 2 is 57, 3 is 58 एंड SC/ST के लिए जो है आप यहाँ देख सकते हो PWD के लिए क्लोजिंग रैंक क्या रहा है वो भी आप यहाँ चेकआउट कर सकते हो। सो यस, इस पर्टिकुलर डेटा को गाइज आप प्योरली आप इस पर रिलाय मत करना, बिकॉज ये जो है प्योरली रिसर्च बेस्ड डेटा है विच वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट फॉर ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स, बट दिस इज़ नॉट द एक्यूरेट डेटा। थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो सकता है, बट येस यू ऑल कैन कंसिडर दिस टू गेट एन आइडिया अबाउट द रैंक्स, बट ये जो है एक्चुअल डेटा नहीं है, बिकॉज उनकी वेबसाइट पे जो है एक्चुअल डेटा ये रिलीज़ नहीं होता है। सो येस, आपको इतना समझ के चलना है कि क्लैट में आपको बहुत अच्छा प्रिपेयर करना है, क्लैट में बहुत अच्छा स्कोर लाना है, सो दैट you all end up in this institute. Next, about the campus. So yes guys, NLSIU is a fully residential learning community. It is situated in Nagar Bhavi, Bangalore. So NLSIU sits on a lush green campus of 23 acres that offers ample space for students to unwind after a day of intense learning. So the campus comprises of academic blocks, students hostel, faculty quarters, full-fledged library, canteens, health center, gym facilities, discussion rooms, well-equipped classrooms and other spaces for academic and community-based activities as well. So overall campus यहाँ पे काफ़ी full-fledged and beautiful देखने को मिल रहा है। यहाँ पे आपको सारी facilities भी देखने को मिल रही है, even library भी यहाँ पे रात के 3 बजे तक open होती है। So yes, जितने भी students हैं they can definitely sit in the library and read books, prepare for the upcoming exams as well. नाउ यहाँ पे जो है हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ भी देखने को मिल जाती हैं। सो मेल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो हॉस्टल्स के नाम यहाँ दिए गए हैं दैट इज़ गंगा, कावेरी, हिमालय, हुगली। सो ये सारे जो हॉस्टल्स है वो मेंस के लिए है। हॉस्टल्स के नाम यहाँ पे काफ़ी क्रिएटिव, इनोवेटिव देखने को मिल रहे हैं। फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो हॉस्टल्स है, हॉस्टल के नेम्स है दैट इज़ नीलगिरीज, नर्मदा, यमुना, गंगोत्री, विंध्यास। सो ये जो ब्लॉक्स है एंड अन्नपूर्णा जो कि मेस ब्लॉक है, ये है हॉस्टल्स ऑल द फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स आर जनरली प्रोवाइडेड सेपरेट अकोमोडेशन एंड आर अलॉटेड द शेयर्ड रूम्स। सो यस, आपको जो है रूम शेयर करने पड़ेंगे। एंड सेकेंड ईयर एंड अपवर्ड स्टूडेंट्स they may be allotted the triple-seater rooms which may be partitioned into cubicles with a curtain or two-seater room. So यहाँ पे जो है आप कर्टन्स के थ्रू जो है अपनी प्राइवेसी मेंटेन करके अपनी स्टडी, अपनी लर्निंग जो है कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। सो इस हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ भी यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को अवेलेबल है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, ईच स्टूडेंट इज़ प्रोवाइडेड अ कॉट, कबर्ड, चेयर, डेस्क, देन देर इज़ हॉट वाटर एंड laundry facilities as well. There's 24/7 electricity and internet connectivity. Also, all the students are advised to bring their own mattresses, curtains, as well as blankets and warm clothing for cold weather during November and January. Also, the wardens stay on the campus and the students are free to approach them regarding any problem, inconvenience or any health issues as well. Next, let's check out about the recruiters. So prominent law firms both national and international visit NLSIU campus for recruitment. Some of the top recruiters include LNL Partners, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, then there is Trilegal, AZB Partners, ICICI Bank, SR Associates and Advocates. Next, about the package. So the National Law School of India University, that is NLSIU Bangalore, it is renowned for its excellent placement record. Graduates from NLSIU are highly sought after by top law firms, corporations, government organizations and international entities as well. So the average salary offer was 10 to 12 lakh per annum and जो international package लगा था that was 50 to 60 lakh per annum. So yes, given this data guys, it is a research based data. इनका placement का data भी official website पे नहीं मिलेगा आपको. So yes, this is purely a research based data, so you can definitely consider this in terms of having an understanding about the placement. So yes, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस अदर जॉब रोल्स जो कि आप देख सकते हो, दैट इज़ द लीगल एडवाइज़र, टीचिंग, लीगल आउटसोर्सिंग, लीगल एनालिस्ट, लीगल रिसर्चर, legal journalist, judicial services, corporate lawyer, private companies, and then there are government jobs as well. So NLSIU Bangalore, impressive placement record, diverse career opportunities, and strong alumni network make it an attractive destination for students aspiring to build successful careers in the legal field. So yes guys, that was it from my side about the entire information about NLSIU Bangalore. यहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप की भी काफ़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ होती है गाइड. इंटर्नशिप के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी सपोर्ट एंड हेल्प किया जाता है. सो यस, उसके लिए भी एक प्लस पॉइंट है अगर आप यहाँ से अपना लॉ परस्यू कर रहे हो. डेफिनेटली डिग्री बहुत वैल्यूएबल है एंड प्लेसमेंट पैकेजेस भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है एंड आगे जो है करियर ग्रोथ भी बहुत अच्छी देखने को मिल जाती है. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज़ परफॉर्म एक्सट्रीमली वेल इन क्लैट एग्जामिनेशन सो दैट आपको NLSIU बैंगलोर में एक सीट आपकी सिक्योर हो जाए एंड देन जो है आपका करियर यहाँ से काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा ग्रो करने वाला है. सो ऑल द लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स डेफिनेटली टारगेट NLSIU बैंगलोर एंड क्लैट की प्रिपरेशन को लेके वी हैव ऑलरेडी लॉन्च द बैचेस and you all can definitely join us for more resources, preparation resources जो कि है books, mock test, recorded video lectures, live class or classroom coaching program. You all can definitely check out the links in the description and you all can definitely connect with us on the numbers which are given in the description. Our counselors will definitely help you out. And ऐसे ही और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब मेन यूर लॉ एंट्रेंस चैनल एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. इसके अलावा और भी कोई टॉपिक पर अगर आप वीडियो चाहते हो, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू कॉमेंट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. विल डेफिनेटली गेट बैक टू यू. So yes guys, that was it from my side and until then I will see you in the next upcoming video.